Mr. Rifat Audi, who is from Burton Jamaat, but originally a Roma. Roma. He's put down. Gypsy. The Roma.
And I know that Roma, yes, that's right, yes.
He asked, why are the Roma people of former Yugoslavia going through so much hardship and no Muslim is helping them?
We try always to help them. As Ahmadi Muslims, we not only help them, we have many Roman Ahmadis who have a settled life, who change themselves so much that there is no more theft, which unfortunately is their habit. So they do not steal anymore, they do not create trouble for their neighbors, etc. While the Romans, even in England, when they move in caravans, you see they create terror in the entire society where they set. And unfortunately, they are given to this habit of stealing and destroying life. So many things, unfortunately, go into them according to their traditions. But we are helping them. As I've told you, mashallah, with the grace of Allah, we have many reformed Romans who are now leading a settled life. Thank you.